Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove and add background in Capcut. First, open Capcut, then tap on New Project, and from here you can select the video that you would like to edit. For example, let me select a video real quick, then tap on Add in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you are going to scroll along the menu that you see at the bottom of the screen, and you want to select Canvas. Then you are going to select Background, and from here you can select one of the preloaded backgrounds that they have right here, or you could tap on the plus at the front, and from there you could select a background from your gallery. For example, this one right here. Then you'll tap on the sticky in the bottom right hand corner. Now you're going to use your fingers to minimize the original video, or better yet, you're going to tap on the video that is there now. Then you're going to tap on the video that is there now. Then you're going to scroll along the menu at the bottom of the screen, and you will see the option Remove Background, and you can see that the background is being removed from the original video, and you can see that the background that I added earlier is now there. And that's it. After the background has been added, you can save your video and you'll be able to share it or upload it on any social media platform you like.